Hey guys, what's up? It's
LG
Dude, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to make a lower quarter out of a straw. It's called getting stuff cheap. Wait, how much is that?
What?
Is that like more than a quarter straw? And that is that more?
This is probably $5.
And a quarter's probably like
$2. So we're at $7, and the
straw's probably like $1.
Probably $2 a pack. So what's 2? How many are in there? 2 divided by something.
2 divided by.
You don't know how many straws are in the pack, bro.
Why are we doing math?
Because we're cool and we're smart. 2 divided by. How many freaking straws are in here?
I don't know. 6?
4 divided by something. Don't know the number. I'm gonna say each straw is 20 cents.
Yep. So basically, it might be more money, it might be less. So we can't say for sure.
Oh crap. Okay, here's how you do it. So you need to flatten at least an inch of this. So starting from about here, pulling out like that. Except that ain't that. What the hell is that doing for you? Come on. So what you gotta do is take your 2 front teeth and just hold them shut. And do that. Until it's about like that. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yep.
See that?
Yep.
And then what you're gonna want to do is take your scissors and cut it to about that, and then that.
Yay.
And then what you're gonna see is this is too far apart. Here, let me try this. That ain't doing anything. So what you have to do is you have to take, hold on, let me come up close. You have to take this.
Don't leave, and I'm going to zoom in.
And you have to fold it like that. See that?
Yep.
So you fold it like that.
And I'll cheat it behind the camera.
And
This is going to be the thumbnail of the video.
No, it should be me playing it.
Yeah.
And then you bite the 2 corners, and that pulls these closer together. If you want to.
One second, I need to get a good shot of your face.
That does that. That does that.
That looks like it's going to be.
And you get that sound, right?
Yep.
But that's not it, brosers. So then you take this. And you do.
I'm going to cheat it behind the camera.
And you do that.
Constipation.
And you do. So constipated. You do that. Pretty good. And you do.
Oh.
Sorry.
The camera.
Okay. Then you're gonna wanna.
Who said woo in the background?
It's James.
Oh, it's James? Yeah, we gotta show him this.
Well, I'm gonna show him a better one.
Yeah, I tried to his channel. It's like, I started to know I can never get it right. And you guys, that is gonna be
So
it.
hold on.
Oh, yep.
So you have to get up the breath, and you have to find the perfect amount of pinch in this. Okay. But that's it. So play away now.
It sounds like Squidward farting.
Nothing happened there. This is the same exact one.
Alright, you guys, this is MLG signing off. We hope you enjoyed. Please do consider leaving a like and subscribing, because why not?